Have you ever wondered why in the folk medicine of different peoples a special role is given to the navel? It would seem that it is not even an organ, but the rest of the umbilical cord. At least that's what official medicine thinks, not giving the navel special significance. In this video we will tell you why this approach is wrong, and at the end we will describe in detail the technique of performing belly button massage with oil, as practiced in Indian medicine. This technique is especially important for people suffering from joint disease. What is the navel? Ayurveda. Traditional Indian medicine does not share the opinion of Western doctors that the navel is only a rudiment of human intrauterine development. According to the ancient Eastern teachings, in addition to the physical level of the human body, there is the so-called subtle plane, that is, its energy level. The umbilical cord never ruptures and connects a man with his mother and 7 generations of feminine ancestors. This is why the navel remains an important energy center throughout a person's life. There are 72,000 energy channels converging in it. It should be noted that a similar view on the importance of navel is present not only in Indian or Veda, but also in many other peoples. In particular, the ancient Slavs called the navel zalotnik. Proverb small is small but expensive, just about him. With folk healers were quite a few techniques for solving the problem of dislocation navel. Because they understood that it is not only physical but also energetic problem. From what can it shift? Mainly from surgery or heavy loads. As a result, a person's energy balance is disturbed and a lot of health problems arise. How do you check the condition of the navel? There is a simple technique to check the displacement of the navel. To do this, you need to press at the bottom, top and sides of the navel with the thumb of your hand and listen to the pulsation. If everything is normal, it will be exactly under your finger. If the belly button is displaced, the pulsation will be to the side. Today, the legacy of traditional medicine is often forgotten. And in vain, after all, our ancestors knew how to fight diseases without expensive medicines. Subscribe to our channel. Here we share proven health recipes. Why a belly button massage? As we promised, at the beginning of the video we'll talk about belly button massage with oil, but first let's understand what it's for. It's not a tricky procedure, it allows us to activate our energy center. Why is it important? The matter is that disturbance of energy circulation through the channels is considered by Indian healers to be the main cause of health disorders and development of various diseases. First of all, it is felt by people with joint diseases. It is these parts of the musculoskeletal system that begin to respond to changes in the weather, the change of season in the years. All people suffering from rheumatoid and gouty arthritis or arthrosis notice that with the arrival of autumn and spring, their diseases worsen. The excruciating pain cannot always be soothed by symptomatic medications. However, restoration of normal functioning of the energy center at the subtle level can solve the problem. This is said by many who have practiced this method. Only it is necessary to understand that the effect comes only after a long practice. But massage with oil. To perform this procedure, you will need a teaspoon of sesame oil and the help of someone close to you. You need to lie on your back and relax, and he will perform the massage procedure. You can use any other natural oil, but sesame oil is a traditional remedy for belly button massage. The oil should be heated to 35. Additionally, you can add 2 drops of natural essential oil, the smell of which you like, to the sesame oil. But this is optional. Check the temperature by putting a little oil on your forearm. It should not sting. 2 or 3 drops of oil should be poured into the navel, The rest should be smeared on your hands and start massaging the belly around the navel in a clockwise direction. It is necessary to make 30 circular massaging movements, and then cover your belly with a towel and lie down for 15 or 20 minutes. After that, blot the oil with a cotton pad. This completes the procedure. It is best to do it in the morning, immediately after waking up. This will give the best result, because at that time all the processes of our body are activated. The course of treatment should be at least 2 weeks, otherwise there will be no effect at all. But it is advisable to continue practicing for several months to achieve a steady improvement of the energy level. This is what experts in Ayurveda teach. Have you heard of this method of holistic health effects? Perhaps you use other Indian healing practices? Tell us about them in the comments. Tell us what you think under this video. And to make sure you don't miss any more informative videos about health and longevity, subscribe to our channel. When you click on the bell, don't forget to check that you want to receive all notifications. Have a great health and longevity.